Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your credit card accounts with Discover. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To manage your credit card accounts with Discover, start by visiting the Discover homepage. Once there, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password for assistance. After signing in successfully, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. From here, you can view your account balance and recent transactions. Next, to pay your bill, click on the Payments option in the main menu. Select Make a Payment from the drop-down menu. Choose the payment amount and select your payment method. You can schedule a payment or make it immediately. Once you've inputted your information, review the details carefully. Then, click on the Submit Payment button to complete the transaction. To view your rewards, navigate to the Rewards section on your dashboard. Here, you can check your available rewards and redemption options. If you need to increase your credit limit, go to the Account Services tab. Click on Credit Line Increase and follow the prompts. Ensure your personal information is current by selecting Profile. Update any necessary details in your profile to keep your account secure. For additional assistance, click on the Help section at the bottom of the page. This section has resources and FAQs to help with common issues. Finally, always log out after managing your account for added security. Following these steps will help you effectively manage your credit card account with Discover. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.